Welcome to Tutorials by David everyone. So today we'll be having a quick review of the Capacities app. If you're curious whether the Capacities is worth your time in 2026, here's the verdict. This one is a click AI-powered note-taking app that goes beyond simple lists and memos, offering visual linking of ideas, task management, and customizable workflows. Its intuitive interface makes organizing thoughts and projects surprisingly smooth, and the AI features can summarize, categorize, and even suggest connections between your notes. That said, it isn't perfect. Some advanced features come at a higher subscription tier, and there's a slight learning curve for new users. Overall, for students, professionals, or anyone judging complex project, capacities can be a game changer, but casual note takers might find it a bit overkill. It is this case one bottle for the nights, or in this case one trial is enough to see if it fits your workflow.